So as you know, I failed Vlogtober. I ended up getting to day 21 out of 31 of Vlogtober. And I just wanted to come and kind of talk about my growth over the last, I guess, 21 days instead of the last 31 days. Let's take a look at my YouTube studio together. So my entire Vlogtober 2025 playlist has 19 videos in it, but I know I did 21. I gotta add those other two to it. The playlist itself only has 1 view, but it has 428 total views and 22.8 watch hours. On average, my videos all ranged from about 20 views to, I think my highest played Vlogtober video is episode 21. So my last episode, it currently has 99 views. I'll tag the video up here on the screen for y'all. Everything else sits at like 30, 20 views, 69 views. And I do have a video that's going up in views. It's not really a Vlogtober video, but it was the video that I posted right before I started Vlogtober. It's the packing the spooky mystery boxes video, and it's currently sitting at 203 views with 15 likes. So that's pretty good if I do say so myself. For me to have just started consistently posting, that's good in my book. So I just want to give y'all a little update about how my Vlogtober went. Let me see if it'll tell me how many subscribers I've gotten, including my other content that I've been posting on YouTube. My channel has 11,676 views in the last 28 days. Now, I do a lot of posting on YouTube Shorts, so that plays a big part into my views. The last YouTube short that I posted yesterday is currently sitting at like 1.2 thousand. It's in at 1,200 views, so I think that's pretty good. My shorts tend to do much better than my long form content, but that's okay. That's completely understandable. And I can probably say a lot of my subscribers are from my short form content. In the last 28 days, I've gained 22 subscribers. 97.8% of everybody that's watched my content are new viewers. So that's really good. That means I'm getting out there and getting more eyes on my business, on me. I do have 87 casual viewers. So hey, y'all watching, if you're not new here, make sure you drop a comment down below and say hi. Let me know if you're enjoying my channel. Let me know if y'all are enjoying my channel, enjoying the content so far. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I just wanted to throw this in there really quick so that I could give y'all an update on how my Vlogtober series kind of progressed with me not completely finishing it. I'm going to do Vlogmas, I think, and I'm going to do weekly vlogs instead of everyday vlogs. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to give it a go again and see how it goes. I've had a hell of a content day. I filmed like 6 pieces of content. I'm also filming this YouTube video for y'all. I have a bunch of content scheduled up until November 12th. That is so good. I still have a few things that I need to edit, but other than that, I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go hop in the shower again. I'm cold. I just want to take a nice hot, boiling hot shower, get cozy, and I'm going to read a book or listen to a book. I don't know yet. But I started reading this book on the Libby app on my iPad. If you don't know what that app is, it's basically ebooks. You can read any book that's available at your local library in this app as long as you have a library card. All I had to do to get a library card was sign up through my local library's website, and it immediately let me connect it to the Libby app. So I'm currently reading Homebodies by Timbe Denton-Hurst. I'm not too far into it. I'm like the first 3 pages into it, and can I be honest? It's a slow introduction for me, so I think I'm going to find something else to watch. I'm going to find something else to read. Maybe I'm just not comprehending what's going on, but I think I'm going to start just going back to reading like self-help books or like business marketing books. I think I'm going to go back to reading and listening to those instead of reading some of the books that I've seen be recommended on TikTok. So I started listening to Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. I think Story Brand is his company or his brand. And basically in his brand, he's showing other businesses how to brand themselves and how to market to an everyday person. You have to separate the brand from your customer. Your customer, of course, this is subjective. Your customer is going to buy from their wants and needs and not from what the brand wants or needs, if you get what I'm saying. If not, I'm going to link these down below on my Binnable list as a recommendation if you want to check them out. Let's listen to the audiobook some more. I'm about 20% into it, so I'm going to listen to some more and do some more editing. I think I'm going to I'm going to walk on the treadmill for at least 30 minutes and then edit some more content if I feel like it. But while I'm on the treadmill, I'm going to listen to the ebook, Building a Story Brand.
Powerful shift that honors the journey
I'm
of the
on chapter 3.
Us.
Okay, so I just cut out some leopard print vinyl for my pink cobalt toolbox, so I'm just going to decorate it really quick. I've been wanting to jazz her up a little bit. It's not quite finished yet, but this is what I have so far on the top. I need to cut out some more other shape pieces. I want to throw like a couple of little hearts in here or there. Yeah, then I think this will be done. I'm currently editing this video. I'm all the way at the end. I've gotten it down from an hour's worth of footage to 10 minutes and 31 seconds. And then I'm going to add this clip in here at the end so that I can end it out for you guys. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this week's video. Today is still the same day as the last couple of clips, but I just changed jackets. I made this hoodie in a few vlogs ago and I'm loving it so much. I'm really ready to bring rhinestone apparel to my website. My mother pulled me aside after the last clip and she wanted to go pick up this sewing machine off of Facebook Marketplace in Hendersonville. So we ran and went and did that. So that pretty much took up a couple of hours of my day. The lady had quite a bit of stuff that she was selling. She's moving out of town. Before I keep sitting here and yapping to y'all, I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.